about to be a real deal walkthrough. I should have been started it. What's that in with you? I should have been started it, but you know, whatever. We at the beginning, so we still gonna run this shit. Look, step one, I gotta get my supplies. I'ma fuck with the little ladder.
Jumped off the porch with a pocket full of lint and a milk.
My handy dandy cart. That's what I'm gonna put all my shit on, all my supplies and everything. What else I need? Hold up.
It's always saying something, but I can't.
The whole reason I got the ladder is just for this. You know, work. You know, they say you work smarter, not harder. If you don't have to do all that extra hard shit, I mean, why do it? Like I said, hold on, let me organize a little bit. That's one thing as an engineer. You always leave the place looking a little bit better than before you came. Which that's just the law of the land anyway. And it's good fucking rules to live by. But yeah, the reason I got the ladder is because, you know, I'm tall. You see all my arms, but I can't reach anything. Right.
If I offend, you're stuck trying to be nice and shit. I'm too rich to pretend. Me switch up, me change for what, bitch? I'm at peace with all my sins.
Oh, I don't know if y'all heard me, so I'm explaining one more time just in case you didn't hear me in there, or just in case I didn't explain it. I don't know, I'll be faded. I don't be remembering. But I'm filling in potholes, and step one is to get your supplies. I got the ladder, but the ladder wasn't for the job itself. The ladder was just to get the leaf blower. I got the leaf blower because when you filling in the hole, first thing you gotta do with the hole is blow it out. So you can, clean it up a little bit and then have something to cover it so when the cars and stuff coming. But I can explain that a little later. Let me get on. With leaf blowers, if you want to know background stuff, it's always nice to have a little more info than when you started, Leaf blowers, they're a little different on their engines, so you do, the mix. It's not just all gas. It's a little bit of gas, a little bit of oil, kind of like weed eaters. And, make sure you're all primed and everything, which I used it not long ago, so it should be good. With this one, is a different series. I mean, I don't know the specific series, so I ain't getting into all of that. The point is filling the potholes. But it's a different series. The cold start pretty much never starts. Maybe it might be old, you never know, but it never starts. But I'm just doing all of this to, make sure my equipment works before I get out there and I have to come back. It's not work smarter, not harder. And make sure it's on. Good. The weed eater, the leaf blower, good. So we're gonna go on to our next equipment. One thing I don't want y'all to forget is the PPE. Some of y'all know what PPE is, but since I know it, I'm gonna act like I know a lot of shit. And if you don't know it, haha, I know something you don't know. Personal protective equipment. And since I'm gonna be blowing rocks and shit around and dust gonna be flying up and all of that nonsense, I'm gonna go and pop it out with the glasses. But for right now, so I can see right, I'm gonna keep it like this. Cool.
When I slide, Tim switch up when I arrive. Not be me, that's so unwise. Couldn't if I tried to. Glad I'm nothing like you guys. Such a different dude. Jumped up in it, then jumped out. Now she got an attitude. I'm about to go to the store, cause Lord knows what she's about to do. Get up in the stool, lose my damn cool. I'm loud, I'm a little bit louder. Face to face and no masking. All your niggas good actors. Hey, look. So
and what I'm going for is these. Well, like I said, I'm going for. It's called commercial grade concrete, but it's concrete with a Q. Be careful with these. I don't think I need to tell y'all to lift with, your legs, not your back, all of that special man shit. But each one of these bitches are 50 pounds. So even if you do got it like that, you don't weigh yourself out. I mean, what you gonna do all that for? So, just do what you gotta do. Good form, baby, good form. Let's go on to the next one. This is what I got the gloves for. Short version is, well, I mean, it's no long version, but short version is this real sticky. You don't want all that stuff on your hands. It's gonna be a lot on your hands. I mean, your hands gonna be dirty anyway, but you don't want all that extra stuff. And because this will really, tear through your skin. Your skin is not the same as having some type of layer of protection or whatever. We're about to get that. We're gonna add it to the bucket.
Bitch, I'm ready to blitz gang and these hoes call me trash. God, hop out the motherfucking trash with a pen in the pad for a feature. We cut up like cleavers, Uno the rival. We shit on these beats and we butt head like Beavis. Y'all soft get some cleavage. I'm saying y'all delicate. Can't no one fuck with the squad dog gon' die with.
So look, cause as I'm working, I'm learning as I'm working. So and it's always still work smarter, not harder. So set that guy down, so I don't have to carry him around. But sit this guy down. Oh yeah, P.S. I got the broom, so after I blow it out and I fill it up with with the material, I could blow the other rocks and debris and stuff back into the hole. Long story short, that's just so when the car's passing over it, they don't stick to the tires and shit, because it's real sticky. Hopefully I got a good angle on you, but as you can see, it's pothole not too big, so it'll be simple. We can get this done and it'll be alright. Plus, it's not really that hot out here, so the sun not really gonna hit it. It's not gonna cure like I wanted to, but we should be alright though. We're gonna get this spot.
Put my phone on D&D, cause if it ain't money, I can't bother. Got them jocking every style I do. Call Maury, I'm the father. On the relay for the digits, every second, minute, hour. And I stay with the drip, like I just hopped out the shower.
Oh, the ticket after this? The reason why I blow it back in, well, I kind of explained it earlier, but they don't really have any rocks to blow out over here, so I'm just gonna have to find some. I still got that broom with me, so I could, sweep it kind of all back in and kind of sort of line it up. And I got these big ass boots on. They don't ever want to stay tied. But yeah, let's go. My handy dandy, whatever the fuck. Wine strippers. I don't use that because it's, it's plastic. Ain't no big deal. By the way, don't be littering. I threw that on the ground, but I'm gonna pick it up later. The reason I'm on this is because, when Amtrak, they come out on the forklifts and everything, they get to drive, and when you got loads on, if you tilt, you might, tip over, and don't nobody need to be getting hurt or fucking up product or, anything. We could just do what we do. We can maintain. We can make sure there ain't a problem or eliminate it.
But I ain't tripping on none, cause I been sipping on some. You boys been acting too funny, but you ain't taking nothing from me, no. Been writing music all day, cause I hate when I'm rusty. IDFW if I do consider it lucky. Told my mama don't worry, girl I'm doing just fine. I'm exercising my patience.
Now it's how to smash down.
Blame it all to my prime, but I gotta keep pushing, even if it's out of my mind. But lately I've been so focused.
We'll come back to it.
Vision to the money, turn the vision to the money, turn the vision to the turn the vision to the money, turn the vision to the money, turn the vision to the money, turn the vision to the But lately I've been so focused, but it's mostly on dollars. Flipping through a few hundred, kicking back with my time.
So I got the broom. I'm ready to put the rocks, over the top. Since it rained, I can't really just blow them into it. And if I blow it too much, I'm gonna blow nothing but water. And it's not really gonna sit. It's not really gonna sit well when if it's wet. So, but like I said, remember, work smarter, not harder. You're gonna have to clean all this stuff up later anyway. So since I'm going back to the to the office to the shop so I can get whatever it's called, the little sweeper, the thing that you sweep the dustbins up to. I forgot what it's called, but dustpan, yeah. I'm gonna go get the dustpan at the office and bring this back. Go ahead and put this up so I can knock out at least a part of my job for the return trip. Okay, so let's go get it popping. We got the duster. About to get it popping. About to go ahead and keep it popping. On the side note, on some let them know type shit. To the people that, you know, be like, oh, okay, I wouldn't dare do this job, or I wouldn't be caught working this hard for this company, or, you know, dumb shit like that. Shut the fuck up. Like, can't nobody make you work hard, just like ain't nobody making y'all have that shitty ass work ethic y'all got. Like, I'm having fun with this shit for one, and I get to get paid to dick around and do shit. Like, find shit I get paid to find shit to do. Nigga, so can't nobody make you do shit. Like when I used to be at Energy and shit, they'd be like, oh, they got y'all out here in this weather and shit when it be raining and nothing. Nah, I be in that bitch like I'm exploring, having a damn good fucking time with my stupid ass. Getting strong, getting some exercise in, and getting paid to do it, my nigga. So
Told my mama don't worry, girl, I'm doing just fine. I'm exercising my patience, I'm a killer with time. Lately I've been too faded, blame it all to my prime. But I gotta keep pushing, even if it's out of my mind. But lately I've been so focused. Lately I've been so focused, but it's mostly on dollars. Lately I've been so focused. Lately I've been so focused, but it's mostly on dollars. Turn the vision to the money. Turn the vision to the money. Turn the vision to the money. Turn the vision to the Turn the vision to the money.
I'm about to make it last too. I'm about to make it last too.
Hell yeah.
My toddler, never tripping off a couple pennies. My life better unbothered, cause I ain't one for that drama, no. Knocking the beef down like dominoes. No new friends that can't get too close, cause I can tell if you a friend or foe. Thinking I'ma need a brand new role, cause I graduated to a brand new flow. Pushing bars like I'm trying to get swole. Chasing commas cause I'm trying to get more. On the road to riches cause I'm trying to get more. But if you get in the way, become a stand on that road. So roll on and get rolled over. Hot money, got a cold shoulder. Been ignoring nonsense, so I'm never sober. I'm thinking I just got a little older. Nuts bigger, I'm a little bolder. Big dog to a little joker.
One is to try to get this as even as you possibly can. I gotta think with evenness anyway and balance, so you know I'm meticulous.
Lately I've been so focused. Lately I've been so focused, but it's mostly on dollars. Turn the vision to the money. Turn the vision to the money. Turn the vision to the money. Turn the vision to the Turn the vision to the money.
A little bit more just.
Young, black, educated with a fucking degree. Ain't no short temper for disrespect, so keep it G if you're fucking with me. I feel like Stevie the bullshit, but I hate to talk, so I gotta go see, cause they calling me king and I can't call myself, but I'm holding the title for wrestle with me. So I do what the fuck that I want, and I say just what I feel. Couple of folks in my ear, telling me chill, the bitch you ain't paying no bills. Thinking the face the seals, emotions thoughts in the pills. Yeah, that means fuck at the field, get it too flat, solid 100 and drill. Since y'all don't know what it is, damn, you ain't no feel like the man. Yeah, bitch, I feel like the man. I'm never working on credit, I need all the money.
Not quite done. We'll be right back. So look, like I said, nothing really special about this part besides it's just part of the job. Cause like I told you earlier in the previous, if you don't put like any debris or rocks on the top when the damn forklift or the cars or whatever, when people come by and step on it, it's just gonna stick to their shoes, they tires and stuff, and that defeats the purpose if it's gonna take it all out. So this part is just sweeping up rocks and debris so I can dump on top of it.
Let them all be, let them all walk. Talking that profit. If it's anything else, then it's probably nonsense. Every song that I drop, I'ma battle the topic. They let a nigga get plugged, now I'm burning down sockets. Start a fire, then whoa. Talking that profit. If it's anything else, then it's probably nonsense. Every song that I drop, I'ma battle the topic. They let a nigga get plugged, now I'm burning off sockets. I've been cropping the competition, now they look microscopic. Been out of space with the Martians, in orbit fucking with rockets. My time is forever timeless, so I use it for profit. Cause climbing my only option, so I can't never stop it. I tried to give up the music, people won't let me leave it. A 9 to 5 sounding stupid and quitting too fucking easy. Took a little from Cupid, fell in love with a breezy, then lost a little with me when it went sour. But now I'm peachy, now
we finish it off with a little smash stop.
green in my system, I feel like Popeye. And what I am, so quit asking about I. Do what I do, get it done when I try. Damn, you would think that I was signed. I'm the man, I'm the shit, I am the guy. Disagree, proving my only reply. Feel way too faded to dance to the drive. So I'm two-stepping and catching.
Voila. You know, you got your filled-in hole. And when you walk on it, perfectly G. So the track, the fork, I keep saying track. So the forklift should be alright, it should be good. Job well done. Job well done. One last thing. One little G.
Now I'm burning down kids. Start a fire, then whoa.